In this tutorial, we're going to be comparing the Bank of America versus JP Morgan. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to go ahead and look at the fee structure. Now let's go ahead and look at the monthly fees for Bank of America. Now on the checking accounts for Bank of America, there is a $12 fee per month, obviously, but it's waivable with specific requirements. But what I mean by that is that if you have a minimum balance of a certain amount, then it is possible to cancel this amount, but that depends on your minimum balance in your account at that moment. Now let's look at the savings account. So one is the checking and the savings account. Now the monthly charge on your savings account is $8, and again it is waivable. I'm just going to write in brackets, waivable, with certain requirements, and they're mostly the minimum balance, which you can go ahead on their website because it changes often. And now on the other hand, for JP Morgan, for its checking account, it offers a $12 as well, which is also waivable. And for the savings account, it offers $5, which is very less than the savings account of Bank of America. All right, let's go ahead and look at the ATM fees. Both charge fees for non-network ATM usage, approximately $2 to $3 for Bank of America. So let's say you're using a non-network ATM, then you'll be charged a fees of approximately $2 to $3, and this is for non-network ATM usage. All right. Now, on the other hand, for JP Morgan, for using a non-network ATM, non-network, the charge is $3. All right, now we're going to go ahead and look at the interest rate for both the banks. Now, savings account both offer a measly 0.01% APY on standard accounts. So they both offer interest rate of 0.01% APY. That's very less. So same here. Interest is 0.01% APY. All right, let's go ahead and look at the certificates of deposit, which is short for CDs. All right, certificate of deposits. Now, Bank of America has 0.03% APY for 1 year and 5 year CDs. And CD stands for certificates of deposit. All right. So it is 0.03% APY for 1 year and 5 year CDs. And 5 year CDs. And for JP Morgan, it is 0.01% APY for 1 year and 5 year CDs as well. So it's the same, but the APY is less for JP Morgan for 1 year and 5 year CDs or certificate of deposit. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the branch battleground. Now, Bank of America has approximately 3,900 branches, which is slightly fewer than JP Morgan Chase. Then JP Morgan has approximately 4,800 branches, boasting a wider physical presence. Now let's look at the ATMs. Both have roughly 16,000 ATMs nationwide, offering ample cash access across the US. Now look at the customer service. Now JD Power Retail Banking Satisfaction Study 2023. So this was a study carried out, and which says that Bank of America is ranked sixth for their customer service, while JP Morgan is ranked 11th. So they're falling behind in customer satisfaction. Now, a few bonus stats. Now, there is a minimum opening deposit. Now, Bank of America checking requires $100. So let's say you're opening a checking account. So for opening checking account, you need a minimum deposit of $100 minimum deposit. All right. And on the other hand, for JP Morgan, good news, you don't have to pay anything to make an account on JP Morgan for opening a checking account. So nothing. All right. Now let's look at the investment options. JP Morgan Chase offers a wide range of investment products for the high rolling crowd, but both provide basic options like mutual funds and ETFs. All right. Now pro tip, don't forget to go ahead and compare the information between both the banks, Bank of America and JP Morgan, so you can go ahead and come up with a good decision which might suit your needs. So, all right, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.